Okay, Jimmy, what you gonna do? Okay, Kobe saying, yeah, he better do something good. He better do something. What you gonna do, Jeremy? You got everybody sitting on boxes helping you dunk. What you gonna do? Ooh, okay, I like that. I like that. I see how you floated. Yeah, Kobe, that was nasty, wasn't it? Okay, Jeremy, J.E., Utah Jazz. Man, what y'all doing? What y'all doing to replay, man? Get it right, TNT crew. Let's go. Ooh, now that's freaky. Look how the limbs moving. Catch it, pause, dunk it. See how them limbs moving? Good pass, Dante. Looking all scared. Don't move, Dante. You may get kneed. Ooh, Evans, Jeremy Evans. But that still won't win. Let's go, Tams. You up next. Look at that man landing. Do you see that man landing with on his fro? Die, he's landing bogus. Go to the barbershop, man.